We can also cut across wires to sever them using a knife tool, which basically allows us to draw across wires that we want to sever. For example, let's say we want to cut these wires down here that goes into the merge node. We can press and hold the Y key. Notice that the mouse cursor turns into these scissors. Now if I left click and drag, it draws out this red to indicate where we are cutting, and we can cut across those wires that we want to sever. So we can cut across multiple wires or just the wires that we want to cut with that hotkey. A few other ways to disconnect wires: you can right click on a wire and then click disconnect. You can also click on a wire and just press delete. You can left click and drag off of an input, and that will also disconnect the wire. Or you can shake out the node. So left click and hold on the node and shake it out. What's useful with the shake method is when you shake the node out, you don't lose your wiring, so Houdini will wire the upstream and downstream nodes together basically, so you don't have to rewire everything.